Hey there, everyone. Have you heard of AI? It stands for artificial intelligence, and it's super cool. AI is like having a really smart computer buddy. You can talk to it and ask it anything. It's like magic, but it's real. One of these AI buddies is called ChatGPT, and it loves to chat. It's like texting a friend, but this friend knows a ton of stuff. ChatGPT can answer your questions, tell you jokes, and even help with your homework. It's like having a genius friend in your pocket. And the best part? It's easy to use. So, are you ready to unlock the magic of AI with ChatGPT? Let's dive in.
First things first, you gotta know how to talk to your new AI pal. It's super easy. Just go to the ChatGPT website and create an account. It's free and only takes a minute. Think of it like making a profile for a social media app, but way less pressure.
Once you're in, you'll see a blank box. This is where the magic happens. You can type anything you want in that box. Think of it like a text message to your AI buddy. Ask a question, make a request, or just say hello.
Here's the cool part. You can chat with ChatGPT just like you chat with your friends. Want to know the weather? Ask away. Need a funny joke? ChatGPT's got you covered.
To ask a question, just type it in the box and hit enter. Be clear and specific, just like when you're talking to a friend. The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can understand and answer your questions.
Don't be shy about asking anything. ChatGPT is like a bottomless well of information. Need help with a recipe? Want to know about a historical event? Ask away. And hey, if you don't get the answer you were looking for the first time, just ask again. There are no dumb questions here.
The most important thing is to have fun and explore.
AI is a powerful tool that can make your life easier and more fun.
So go ahead, give it a try. You might be surprised at what you can learn and create. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun guides. See you next time.
Now that you've tried ChatGPT, you can explore other AI tools like Copilot, Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek. They are all super friendly and work exactly the same. I'll drop links into the chat so you can find them. You may just need to switch to your local language when you create an account. It's very important that you are on an exploration journey, so do not sign up for the paid accounts right away. Learn and explore before you buy. Each AI is different, and you need to find what works for you. As a light user, you probably don't need a paid plan. So go ahead, dive into the world of AI and see what other amazing tools you can discover. Your journey has just begun, and there's so much more to learn and explore. Thanks for joining us on this AI adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun guides. See you next time.